Imagine a palace carved from ivory and gold, rolling silently across open highways, turning every head, redefining luxury travel forever in ways you never thought possible. Welcome back to the channel, DreamDrive Homes. Today, you're unveiling something that feels less like a motorhome and more like a royal residence on wheels. The Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026. This is not just another luxury RV. It is an extraordinary fusion of architectural elegance, advanced engineering, and timeless prestige inspired by the heritage of Mercedes-Benz. From the very first glance, it commands attention with its grand proportions, sculpted body lines, and a presence so dominant it feels like a moving landmark. The exterior design of the Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 reflects the unmistakable DNA of Mercedes-Benz luxury vehicles. The front fascia features a bold, upright grille crowned with the iconic three-pointed star, symbolizing engineering excellence and global prestige. Sleek LED matrix headlights stretch confidently across the front, delivering both futuristic style and intelligent illumination that adapts automatically to road conditions. The aerodynamic body is finished in a rich pearl ivory metallic paint, accented with subtle gold detailing that enhances its regal personality. Built on a reinforced, heavy-duty Mercedes commercial chassis, this motorhome combines strength and sophistication. The massive wheelbase ensures stability at highway speeds, while advanced air suspension systems glide smoothly over uneven terrain. Despite its impressive size, the driving experience remains refined and surprisingly effortless. Inside the cockpit, the driver is surrounded by a panoramic digital dashboard, intuitive touch controls, and plush leather captain seats designed for long-distance comfort. But what truly sets the Grand Palazzo Imperiale apart is its architectural inspiration. Instead of looking like a conventional motorhome, its upper structure resembles a European palace facade. Graceful arch-styled windows line the side panels, framed with decorative trims that echo classical design elements. Subtle balcony-style rail details and layered roof contours create the illusion of a stately mansion carefully sculpted into motion. Step inside, and you are transported into a world of handcrafted excellence. The entrance door opens to reveal a grand foyer finished in polished marble effect flooring and soft ambient lighting. Every surface feels premium, from the stitched leather wall panels to the real wood cabinetry finished in warm walnut tones. Crystal-inspired light fixtures hang elegantly from the ceiling, casting a golden glow across the interior. The main lounge area feels like a five-star hotel suite. Oversized panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the space, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Plush sectional sofas wrapped in buttery soft leather invite you to relax in total comfort. A retractable 8K ultra-high-definition television emerges silently from a concealed cabinet, paired with a premium surround sound system that transforms the lounge into a private cinema. Across from the lounge, the formal dining area features a handcrafted dining table finished in polished stone, surrounded by high-back, upholstered chairs. Whether hosting an intimate dinner or enjoying a quiet meal with family, the space feels refined and intimate. Overhead, integrated LED lighting systems adjust in brightness and color temperature, allowing you to set the perfect mood for any occasion. The kitchen inside the Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 rivals that of a luxury apartment. Equipped with high-end appliances, including a full-size smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and built-in espresso machine, it offers everything required for gourmet cooking on the road. Countertops are crafted from durable quartz stone, while soft closed cabinets provide ample storage without compromising aesthetics. Moving toward the private quarters, the master bedroom is nothing short of extraordinary. A king-size bed sits centered against a padded headboard wall, illuminated by subtle accent lighting. Premium bedding materials ensure restful sleep, while integrated climate control maintains the perfect temperature regardless of external conditions. Large wardrobe closets with mirrored doors provide generous storage for extended journeys. The ensuite bathroom continues the theme of elegance, featuring a full-size glass-enclosed shower with rainfall head, a marble-finished vanity with dual sinks, and gold-accented fixtures. It feels like a luxury spa retreat. Heated flooring adds an extra layer of comfort, making every morning routine feel indulgent. One of the most breathtaking features of the Grand Palazzo Imperiale is its upper observation lounge, accessible by a beautifully designed staircase with illuminated steps. This elevated space offers panoramic views through wraparound windows. It can function as a private relaxation area, executive office, or entertainment lounge. Soft reclining chairs, a compact bar unit, and integrated smart screens make it the perfect place to unwind while overlooking scenic landscapes. Technology plays a central role in this 2026 masterpiece. The entire motorhome is integrated with an intelligent smart home system. Through a central touchscreen or mobile app, owners can control lighting, climate, security cameras, entertainment systems, and slide-out expansions. Voice command functionality adds another level of convenience, allowing effortless adjustments while relaxing. Safety has not been overlooked. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera views. Reinforced structural engineering ensures maximum protection, while intelligent braking systems provide confidence even when navigating mountainous roads. Under the hood, the Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 is powered by a next-generation turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth, shifting automatic transmission. The engine delivers impressive torque, ensuring that even with its palace-like dimensions, acceleration feels confident and stable. Fuel efficiency has been optimized with advanced aerodynamics and intelligent power management systems. Energy independence is another highlight. A high-capacity lithium battery bank works in harmony with rooftop solar panels, allowing extended off-grid living. A whisper-quiet generator provides backup power when needed, ensuring uninterrupted comfort wherever the journey leads. Storage capacity throughout the motorhome is cleverly integrated. Hidden compartments, underfloor storage, and exterior cargo bays allow for organized packing without cluttering the interior. Every inch of space has been thoughtfully engineered to maximize functionality while preserving elegance. The Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 is not merely about luxury. It is about creating an experience. Imagine parking beside a serene lake, extending the automated side terrace, and stepping out onto a private outdoor deck, complete with ambient lighting and integrated speakers. Imagine hosting friends beneath a starlit sky, surrounded by the quiet confidence of a vehicle that feels like royalty. This motorhome redefines the idea of travel. It blurs the line between transportation and architecture. It transforms highways into royal corridors and campsites into private estates. For those who demand exclusivity, craftsmanship, and presence, it delivers an unmatched statement. Inside every detail, you can feel the legacy of Mercedes-Benz. Precision stitching, flawless panel alignment, smooth door mechanisms, and whisper-quiet insulation all reflect decades of engineering expertise. Even at highway speeds, the cabin remains serene, allowing conversation and relaxation without disturbance. The climate control system operates in multiple zones, ensuring personalized comfort for every passenger. Advanced air purification technology maintains fresh interior air quality, an important feature for long journeys. Lighting design throughout the Grand Palazzo Imperiale has been carefully curated. Soft, indirect LED strips highlight architectural contours, while customizable color themes allow owners to create unique interior atmospheres. Whether warm and cozy or cool and modern, the lighting adapts seamlessly. The cockpit blends technology with tradition, A fully digital instrument cluster displays navigation, vehicle data, and performance metrics in crystal clarity. Touch-sensitive controls and haptic feedback surfaces provide intuitive interaction. While the steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather, offers a commanding grip. Sound insulation within the cabin is achieved through multi-layered acoustic materials, ensuring that road noise remains minimal. The experience of driving such a large motorhome becomes surprisingly peaceful and controlled. For entertainment lovers, satellite connectivity and high-speed internet integration transform the motorhome into a mobile command center. Streaming, remote work, and video conferencing become effortless even while traveling across regions. Customization options for the Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 allow owners to personalize interior themes, upholstery colors, wood finishes, and exterior paint schemes. Each unit can be tailored to reflect individual tastes, making every motorhome uniquely special. This is not just about luxury for the sake of appearance. It is about thoughtful design meeting practical innovation. From hydraulic leveling systems that stabilize the vehicle automatically to climate-adaptive exterior materials that withstand extreme weather, everything serves a purpose as night falls. Exterior accent lighting subtly outlines the palace-inspired facade, turning the motorhome into a glowing architectural sculpture. It is impossible not to admire the grandeur it radiates. The Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 stands as a symbol of ambition and achievement. It speaks to those who refuse ordinary experiences and instead seek extraordinary journeys. It invites you to redefine freedom, to travel not simply from place to place, but from one remarkable moment to another. For DreamDrive Homes viewers who crave the ultimate combination of power, prestige, and palace-level comfort, this motorhome represents a vision brought to life. It is where engineering mastery meets artistic imagination. It is where highways become hallways of a grand estate. If you enjoyed discovering the Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 with us, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow luxury enthusiasts, and subscribe to DreamDrive Homes for more incredible road mansions and future travel innovations. The road has never looked so royal.